Hello everyone, I'm Cadet JB Sales. I'm excited to talk about VHF communication, distress signals, urgency signals, and security signals. Okay, let's go. Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Ocean Star MMSI 36712346. Call sign Lima Alpha Papa 04 at position 40 degrees 12 minutes north, 73 degrees 45 minutes west. We are taking on water and sinking. I required immediate assistance. There are 10 people on board. We are abandoning ship into life rafts. Over. Pan 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 pan. All station, all station, all station. This is 36712346 motor vessel Ocean Star. Call sign Charlie Foxtrot Romeo India. Our position is 35 degrees 42 minutes north, 75 degrees 12 minutes west. We are now lost engine power and drifting towards shallow water. Request assistance from nearby vessels. No immediate danger to crew. Over. Security, security, security. All ship, all ship, all ship. This is MB 36712346 motor vessel Ocean Star. Call sign Lima Alpha November 02. A large container has been adrift in position 25 degrees 45 minutes north, 80 degrees 10 minutes west. Over.